Maybe but that man lied.
No, that relationship was very short.
They don't even quote.
I doubt they quoted because guess what? Me personally,
let me tell you, the men I've seen. Yeah,
Ella is such a good girl. Let me tell you,
very humble.
Ella is a good girl, and she's a proper. You see how she carries herself. She's a proper girl, you know. So me the last time I was with her, she had taken me to Fanero okusabire.
Yeah.
Nze we nabere ne Ella nga dating Omusaja mulala nnyo abi dreads. Some tall dark skin guy, right?
For social media.
So before I know it, like it wasn't even like a year or so when I had seen them. Then Natalia tells me tugenda kumbaga ya Ella.
When
I'm like, I thought I was Ella's friend. No invitation for me, okay.
I know.
But me, I was like, something is fishy about this relationship because before I know it, I'm like, 1 minute we're coming from tall, dark skin, handsome man. Then now we're here on Saidi.
Average.
And then also one thing I saw that was a red flag is that Saidi is a Muslim, and the way the wedding was done, you could tell it was
one-sided, literally.
It was controlled by the woman. I could tell that Omusaja gwe bali bawasa.
That one was actually
Omusaja bali bamwa. Tell me one Muslim man.
Sente ngaza Omusaja denga beba.
Tell me one Muslim man.
Have you ever realized that there is a breast without a nipple? But without a nipple.
Akasimu kango kalaba akapya.
I know to
Baby yaziza. Bananga abakazi abalina abasajja bali ku kyera. Ababalabirira bannange. Mwebaze mukama mwesuneko. Mwesuneko kubanga abasinga babeerabira.
Mwesibye bwezi banna bamwanywa ki naye naffe.
Si kunywa. Just kubeera.
Just luck.
Kuwooma.
Atandise ebintu bye. Adango weddalu. Hi love this. Welcome to Love Live on my YouTube channel. Dorina Sasura kakati banna Nairobi ninga tugala tukola wana akantu. Nga tugamba tunywe urine. Have you ever drunk your urine, Maka? Yafuna 2.k shares kugundi nga bayomba okufa obufi.
Urine therapy.
Urine therapy walejo buliddeko. Mbonyo omusologo?
Guwonya buli kirwadde mu mubiri.
Alusazi. Mbusimanya se. Abamu ne bagamba ogumya nedda nakyemanyi nti simanya guwonya erinnyo abamu ne bagamba eriiso
buli kimu
oba yagala eriiso simanya liwaite nenga wabikimbu
nabeko even at it was saying if you lost your star you use your urine
to bring back your star.
Exactly. You can shower it.
People take stars gatulabye
nkugambye abazungu bakugambira omuzungu kyemmanya asinga ffe okwenyinyala.
I know.
Kati omuzungu wakugambira nti no omusulo bagunywa and it's urine therapy because it has stem. I know naye ate bibenyinyala bitono. Okimanyi nti no bw'okwata engalo ze ku mmere tasobola girya. Ojesa otaddeko ngalo zo.
Agaana n'agaana ogirya.
Exactly. Oba n'okwata ekigere kyo n'okikonya ku muzungu tebabyagirya ddala. So waliwo obuntu obutono bonga ne woba muzungu munne you can't touch me. Or you can't even put your hands on someone else's food. You know, Ajakuwa yonna nakugamba. I don't know where your hands were touching.
Choka ye mukunywa urine kugamba kwita balizi dokita oyagala tutta bane naseka.
I know barage bana bayomba nabanga bayomba nyange buli omu n'obulamu bwe. Ayagala owuliriza nga awuliriza.
Ayagala alekeyo.
Naye Uganda beewozaako ne wootabasabye kwewozaako ne bw'olaba omuntu yeewozezzaako ng'omanya ali guilty.
I know.
Kati nsonga ki ebeekwewozaako nokuzizaako
era wagambako era ekyanza tewaddamu wasirika abamu ne bakutaginga n'osirika.
Sirina budde bwabwe naawe
n'ogenda n'obulamu bwo
kati abo be batalina byakukola
Pasi yagamba babeera wali enjala ebaluma.
Nnyo.
Amaze ennaku mmeka ali ku mukene ali ku
ng'obusungu bumulaba gwakulaba oli wali oli aka KFC oli ekiwombo wali kya Doreen Nasaasira
nanyiga
yabanyiga
oluwombo lwa yaya
Bannange, yaya extras.
oluwombo lwa wano
leero nzize ne Ssaalongo owa boda wange
bombi
kasitwa mpise 5 ne ŋŋamba
traffic
wano wayinza okubeera leeti ate ze sitambula nababoda basimanyo baakanyaga
era njagala onyumiza mbadde ne muti yabawo ne ngamba bannange Robin atera okunsurprise nga najja before time era ne ngamba Martha tukole
nzize ne Ssaalongo ne ngamba Ssaalongo leero nyinza okuvaayo ekiro era ali wali ate
era nange njagala nnyo oliya baboda kibadde wangambe they robbed you
munange Monday night
mob justice I don't really agree mob justice nenze I swear to God nze omuntu bwanziba nga no obukakafu nti yanzibye ne bamukuba sirina kisa.
I'm telling you kati nozireka nkugulire ababbi it was Monday night nali nakavako because I was mentoring the Miss Universe Uganda girls that day so when I came back from there netuuka ewaka I was busy on the phone with my man. In fact, that day we spoke over for 7 hours. Maitino okusimu navako sawa mwenda. Naira kusawa kusimu navako sawa mwenda ogwechi.
Nga muli mukunyumya.
Nga tukuba chibozi we ndia you know nga we
I'm doing mukwano go.
You know.
Boze bategwayo.
3:20 is when I went to sleep. Normally by that time I'm already awake. Because it's a spiritual hour. I normally awake when I sleep early.
So the truth is 3 a.m. is a spiritual hour.
Yeah, very much so. No, it's a real spiritual hour because the spiritual world is active at that time. All the realms are open and you can access actually if you know how to spiritually get there. That's why people wake up and pray.
Okay.
Because spiritually, by angels, but malaika, it's a spiritual between 3 and 5 a.m.
Okay.
Those hours are very sacred and spiritual. But between 3 a.m. hour, yo. So but I'm not gonna. This is the thing. I like to take accountability for my actions. So as much as Banziwa, I was careless. Because I was staying at my business because I have a guest house. So I left my house. Ngasichabeera waka. Ngambera ku guest house yange jukira business yakatandika sinayo cameras kati nga njagala kubeerawo to
supervising
naye kati abanzibi nga bomanya bakuba always baba bakumanyi kubanga rooms ziri endala zonna mulimu just bitanda na mifaliso eyange yokka ye yalimu ebintu kati nze because I was on the phone the whole time and when I was done with the phone olugi lwali lugale naye omanyi kana kibateekako kufulu kana akaggi jukira zinezije z'ekyuma
like mubeeramu kano ko
sliding anoteeka kati ako zaakasiba kati balabika baakalaba ne banguumika ne bangaka paka ne bakagomayo 3 gomayo okuzuukuka nga olugi lugule nga my laptop was taken 2 of my phones naye the fact that I was just scared of one thing I was in the bed sleeping they could have hit me on the head. Or imagine I woke up and saw them and they hurt me.
They would have hurt you.
Ne mukama malaika bange baali bazufu ekiro baleka banteekako shield bwete nene kubanga nze nali mirembe gyange nebaka mirembe gyange nazuuka si. Do you know what I mean? So I do take accountability for being careless, but as Ugandans,
man,
why would you enter someone else's property and take their stuff? Banange
byotakoleredde
kati nze kino nze kyensaba ogambe mob justice eyo naye nze ekintu kyembadde nsaba buli kaseera ngamba singa okufuna emmundu eri licensed wano Uganda waliwo eyaŋŋamba mbu kisoboka nti by law we can get a gun and you get it licensed and you register to carry. Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes, I had here in Uganda apparently there's some offices over Nakao over somewhere. But let me tell you, to me, I feel like for people who have valuable things, like let's say, for example, people who have mansions, people who have expensive cars, like if they're going to license you, to let you carry, you have to show what you're protecting.
Exactly.
I want to be able to have a gun in my house because, first of all, to protect my children.
I know. Because people wherever Bible they come to still kill
and destroy.
Kuanga at that point kati obakuba awaking up Mugabe.
Era bandi nkubye bloka ku mutwe oba peva.
Even raping ebyekisiru.
Ochegedeza ate nalinze nalisuze muka braka nge buno bushotsi betusulamu kati oba
nzeno kati no zisula naked.
Yeah ne basanga gwe. Bina nakandi yagadde kukwata kama mama shibinga shinyindira bulala. Bala mugumba ne baba akano kukwata ku. Katwegendere. Kano tekalina wadde nya bala. Tekalina wadde nyash. Kati kano tukwatako kachi. Bakwata mkwasika laptop. Ne bakwata obusimu ne begenda.
Ngera.
Oh, chimanyi to know my small nyash saved me.
I know.
Because if it was you, girl, bali kubya californ ne bakola ebyabwe.
But
Ugandans, where is the love? Where is the love?
Do you know, like the economic
Where is the humility?
Inkoze sente zange ndi mukuyiya nganze tomaina sente wenzije ngogezaako okweyiyayiya ntale mu ka TV kange ntadde mu kaki ndaba bambi nawo abagayi nga bafilminga nga bakaaba nagamba mama laba
kyebankoze nga buli ki
ono yataddemu ekituli mu gundi ne bayitawo mpulira obusungu.
Kati naddala at least let me tell you, a thief, it's not about killing them. They're about giving them a reminder never to steal again. That's why I say the gun. Because if I have a gun and I get a chance, I will shoot you in your butt. Or shoot you in the leg.
Leg.
Or shoot you there in the middle. And then we will see how you will never what if you forget that you stole. No, me, I'm... and katolaba buli kimu kiriko advantages and disadvantages because in America gun laws are so rampant that anyone
move around with guns.
That's why school shootings are many whatever. But I feel like if well regulated, it could be a good advantage, especially here. We have so many thugs because all ebweru let's say for America ba thugs je bali but chizibu thugs okumalaga entering your house.
It's rare.
If they are breaking robberies, it's because these are really rich people and it has been orchestrated for time and it basically it's like a rule robbery. Robbing a bank by nakubera. But in most cases, it's all oleka lugule ebweru. What about why you get
TikTok nagamba ngenda kola ne simu yange ndimo tukobanga nzigule
n'amasimu tebagamba kizibu okubba essimu kati eri bw'obba essimu yeeri okujjako ng'ogenda giweereza Uganda because they can track it no matter how. Abantu tebabba eri masimu oshegedde. So there are advantages and disadvantages to everything, but for me I feel like if baba kupimye bulungi ne balaba nga wafiyo wafiyo ya waggulu nga kwegamba olina ebyokuprotectinga bingi batuleke tukwateko ku mundu mu nnyumba ze nsule nayo mu kabox wali kulira agabatukana kuwa mu kabina
bale abantu abo bali so merciless
kuwa mu kabina because ekisinze okunyiza is me. I make money online. I advertise online. Most of my business is online.
No, just meant to know you are off for all those days. Mukama ga yanyambi. Omanyi winza bana kweza message. WhatsApp naga metechi sobo.
Oli wa mukisa.
This is not like Robin.
To be offline.
Hours ngatanala nenga cut after midnight. Nganzile wakaninga manyi let me just beep. Nako nenga emundigesa nenga kase itamnenga katingina mukubire ncha kubacha mugambe WhatsApp.
Why is the beep call actually?
Chance obedde nenga Robin cannot be off.
It only came back yesterday on WhatsApp this morning because messages. So my man replaced my phone actually earlier last week. But SIM card zinga wo manyi tebananga obolinga nganze katunuleka nkunyumize kyatukawo. Shortcuts zetwagala okukola sagala genda ku police reportinga ate nga sigwa mbana abokukubo ababikola ate tebyagaana nabo akasavu kange naona ngejo talina police letter ngenda kujja ku kasamu but you know what's funny obunafu buno mu bwogo nagenze ku police nefule ebbaluwa bbiri police nalisasudde omutwalo gumu naye guess what SIM card za 2,000 zokka eya MTN ya 1,500 kati I was cutting a shortcut mbu nemekusasula za police kyokka eri banzijeeko kasanvu
nebigenda n'okukola
Chokera akasanvu Airtel ke yatutte because ebbaluwa baba ya 5 ne billing za sim card era ke kasanvu.
No
Kata for the transport. Let me tell you, let's not stop cutting doing shortcut. Omanya Uganda tukola bino. Gende wagundi
ajakuyamba.
You go to the service center. Don't bother with those people on the street. They are liars. They took sim card data dako. Choko msaja afide simu yokwatako. Bana inebona sim cards. Paka banange ngam. Agenze wali ku Urban Center ne mbiye kolerako.
Wamoja nange.
Bonye wiki eno dia. Banange baby wange mwami kakoza
Omusaja tunakola show.
Mwami kakoza.
Bawanoli.
Neda chenya. Neda ataka suso. Abasajja abali e Bulaaya nga mwina bakazi bammwe e Uganda nga mubalabirira mukama abaweche okwagala gome musajja okuddiza wesimu ngeri mukakadde and something nagizawo right away
si ono go
yakangulye 3 months ago when he had just called, he had bought me the S21
walono bowe no mugamba banaye guni wanzijukizaako nga you just want him to tell you kale katonyo akugambe nti well kale mukale nga weeks bili tulabe nakuwa response nga so rude. One statement.
The baby yabadde stress. Yabadde
stress
week na stress yange week yonna nayo yabadde musajja.
God bless us with such good men. That's why I tap into blessings. Don't tap in anything.
Let me tap it.
Auntie. Bless me. Auntie bade nayo ngutadde agoina.
Oh, you man.
I know. May God bless me.
And
that's nice man.
And I think kusabira because you deserve it, beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Let me tell you.
You know, like I see people this day, bobo, you know, Omukazi wonga alieno. Toina mukazi. Why do they say that?
Auntie,
Omusaja wabali toina musajja.
Auntie, my name yayo ejagala sente zokka. Kati leka nkubulire.
Mbwe miyayu.
Because kati abayi. Omukazi yenna ekigendo mwenza.
Nga tomulabirira.
Kubanga leka nkubulire. Wali kunnabunya wonna. Osobola okwesootinga ne bwaba taliiwo.
Ago wangamba weesootinga.
Nze neesootinga ddi. Ate na mwami wo katolaba me when my man left. Mwana mugaba munna. Long distance relationship. Zetagamu wali ka phone bichi. Kali ka phone bichi. Kati abamwe befula batabitegeera batabisobola bye keeping a relationships.
Is that long distance?
Because guess what? If you're in love with your man, even if you just see him with the shirt off, you will you'll be like, oh, baby. And I'm baby. You know, spicing
relationship. Ebyansonyi tubiteeka ku bali.
Kati there is a relationship that failed. My first relationship that failed when I was abroad because mbuye itamanyi nakusaba nudes.
Nene dabanange. Era balagenda kubuza kintu kya nudes kubanga kitabuse even recent warrior. I'm like chisuse. You tell them don't share and they share.
The problem goes to why are you putting your face? Why are you sending your VJJ with your face in the same damn picture?
Right?
Are you dumb? That's a good one. Are you dumb? Because Omusaja wo bwaba kumanya ombiri gwe gufaanana, you're not going to give him a random body.
True.
You know what I mean? Mama, no, he knows obututuluzu bwonna. I don't mind. Ayagala nnyo C-section eyo. Mama ajagala he tells me turning on C-section. Can you imagine?
Men are weird. I know.
C-section. Ajagala nnyo ye. Kati
so it's taking a long distance relationship.
You
crazy.
have to be
very
spontaneous. Just don't put
your face
there. You just make sure do the good shaving.
Oh yeah.
And then
the phone sex. I got the phone sex in my head.
No, it's because you're not into your man. You have to be able to enjoy phone sex.
Kati bangamne they record. Kati ze bintisa nenga bagala
Kati your voice.
Obulobozi bwange butambule.
Kati your voice ani agenda okukiriza okugamba ati oh we had your voice ngekola. Girl, bye. Girl, you better wake up and just be smart about this.
Masa wazijiridde masa ali kusaidi yo.
Wewe uti ofumo wewe uti wetu okuma. The baby wange namugamba mga baby. It's a long distance nzibadde musinyangu. Bibi nebikuuma buki.
Relationship ya long distance.
Bana abawola ba wano. Kasolekerawo okuweereza ssente.
Wamma.
Naye ate mulimu n'abawala nga yalina akasagazi.
Nga ne bw'oba omuwa ssente wamma mbalabyeko. Nga
ne bw'oba omuwa ssente ng'akasagazi tekamuganya kubeerawo kutuula.
Bagamba omusajja abadde amuwa ssente buli wiiki. Omusajja yamufunira ne waabeera ng'omuwala alinga atali settled wamma kaba
kasagazi kubanga ate n'ekirala alayika aba atamanyi pleasing because most girls, a lot of girls don't know how to please themselves.
I think they don't know
because this is something that you experiment yourself. Like if you love yourself, you love your body. It's not hard to explore your vagina because you wash it every day anyways. So the sensitivity is natural. So if you know that but some women are not even sensitive down there. Some women have never even gotten an orgasm and they're like 40 years old.
I've had like most.
Isn't it spiritual?
Huh?
Isn't it spiritual?
It is both. It is both spiritual and mind. Yeah, it is both spiritual. It's connected. It's both spiritual and mind. Because with sex, it's all about the mind. When you're having intercourse with your man, like that's why you have to be romantically attracted to that man. Now there's parts of his body, because for me, like if I'm not attracted to you, guess what? I'm gonna think of another man that I'm attracted to when I'm with you.
In these moments.
Or check it. But with your man, it's like with your man, you look at his features, you look at his faces, they all have to turn you on.
Right, and you're like, oh.
And then also the man has to be able to take you there, because for me, I always say that you're as freaky as your man lets you.
How about teaching that person? Do you know that in my head, my mind, I'm like, most women complain. Maybe they don't show these men. You have to teach a man, isn't it? No gamba. Maybe when you go kwata no, I feel good. Go kwata I feel good. You know,
that's the problem. Is most people in relationship and marriages, they
communicate.
They're in it for convenience, and when they having intercourse, it's just to have babies. It's not to have fun, to enjoy the actual act. Because some of them, they're even shy. Around their husbands. Some women don't want to have sex with the lights on.
I know.
They don't want their men to see their bodies.
You're like lights off.
You know what I mean?
They're the men who are shy.
There are men who are shy.
There are men also who are shy.
But then guess what? When a man is horny, all the shyness goes out the window. Trust me.
He forgets.
The minute he's horny,
he forgets.
But women, first of all, it's hard for us to get horny.
Yeah.
It's very hard for us to get horny. That's why I said you're only as freaky as your man.
As your man.
Because if you meet a man who knows how to explore a woman's body, no matter whether your mind is there, he will take you there, blood. He will take you there because he knows the right switches.
Yeah.
Press.
Buttons.
But most men, and this is a fact, most men only care about their ejaculation.
And that's what people keep saying. That's what they keep saying. Especially, I don't know why they always say Africans, but I think they're lying. But they don't care about before I play for 30 minutes.
Which is why their women cheat.
Kiss, mango.
And you know who they cheat with? Young boys. Because them young boys, they know what to do, baby girl.
No.
They're not worried about how clean this is. They're gonna go eat it like chicken fried rice. You know what I mean? They're not gonna tell you, oh, let me chaff. When they're ready, they got you. They're gonna pick you up. Pick you up. I'm talking pick you up. These old niggas, these old Ugandans, you know what they do? The man comes, just falls on you in 5 minutes. He's done.
He's done.
So you expect me to deal with this for the whole thing in my marriage?
No.
How many years?
Not
really. So they end up dealing with the house boys, the shamba boys, or the border men.
True.
Because if I'm sitting on a border with the border man, he gives me time. He listens to my problems. So if my man is not doing the thing, I'm going to talk to him and be like, Omusaja, everybody be quiet, baby. Omusaja, tamani na chali na. Nashan ko kwa yogeza.
Boda, wabanda izona bachafu. Otuka nomunaza gomga sokona baby.
No, want mulimu abali clean. Abakazi abafumbo. Let me tell you. Those border men fix them a lot because most of them they stay in the comment. Ngabuli chimwa atuma wa border kato wa border we ogwatuma tukanamumanyira.
In fact bagamanti abasajja abasi yeah you're right. Bagamanti aba border. Bamanyi baina attention ane bagamna abakazi abasinga abafumbo bo kola research. Because whether you want it or not,
baba wa emotional attention, which the husband, because think about it, your husband goes to work, he's in a marriage, he's thinking abana omukazi yetaga kino amakage yetaga kino, so kati wamala okuteeka mu nyumba bwati nga amaze okukotinga amaze okuwasa nakuteeka bwati mu nyumba, you become a liability, my friend. That's why I tell these ladies, you need to work. Because the minute you're not working, your man will take you. So asobola kuwa nga kukotinga for those 6 months or the month while he's courting you, right? The minute he puts you in the marriage, do you know what you become? You become a liability, especially if you do not work. That means he has to now think about your daily upkeep, whatever he has to live at home. He has to think about the kids, every one of your needs. And some women are so dumb that they ask men for sanitary towels. Ridiculous.
Even sanitary towels.
There are women, because if you don't work, ogena zijja wezigula sanitary towels ezekubye
kakato ino kumpa sanitary.
Okujja kongera ogenda tola kuza akameza zibakuwadde alemetegeera nti no wasabiddeko eza sanitary. But there's some women who even say, baby, kiyitako kyokka n'atuma ne bbaawe sanitary towel mu supermarket. It's ridiculous, and for me, I feel like it's disrespectful because as a woman, when do I start menstruating? At 13. That is a responsibility that I should know from 13 that I should take care of it myself. Because if mom is buying it when I'm still underage and not working, and then I get married, I grow up, I go to and I still expect a man to buy or someone else to buy that stuff.
Nah.
Oshagede. Kwagamba checho kugamba omusajja kuwa value bwoba ng'olina ky'okola. But the minute you don't do anything, you become a liability. And once you're a liability when you buy a car, you love it.
Oh, yes.
But the minute you start seeing it as a liability, simanga service, right now. I don't drive simply because I'm not in the
border men can. But I'm
already not in the financial bracket to first of all I have road rage. If I have a car, I need a driver. Yes, if I have a car, I need a driver because Kampala, I once cried ku used to Fule Road. Nga olaba ministry eri awo ngono tuka kubitala bye wandege.
Yeah, jitegedde.
Jaba police batkwata 45 minutes. Ngambuzayo just a little bit reach kubitala. I got out of the car and started crying. Like, first of all, I hate tight spaces. So the minute I'm in a tight space for so long, like a car, like it's claustrophobia. Like mentally, I just feel like I'm suffocating.
It's not my life.
So right now, I just decided that until I'm in a bracket where Sente zange zisobola okukola Sente zange zisobola okuaffordinga driver nga ne motoka nayo service bichi kubanga munange motoka mwana. So people buy a car not knowing that it's actually a liability.
Yes.
So that's the same thing I go back to. You become a liability. His car is a liability. The house you guys are living in is a liability. The kids become liabilities because they're always asking for money.
True.
Kati bwobanga omukazi tokola kuyambako ku bbaawo, eventually
kagenda kuwa kitiibwa.
No, atuka nakwetamu because he's obligated. It's an obligation. When something becomes an obligation.
Yeah, true. No wonder in my head I'm like you always hear abasinga ba complaining ndaga nango chikazi omukazi wange yantama omukazi wa kumbo oli wali omunyunyuta then bagamba tiyerabira yefako musanga
are comfortable. n'atuula n'atandika n'okunyumya obukazi bw'oku muzigo abeera ku ssimu mu lugambo okomyewo maybe nekajus oluusi ebintu and women have to remember when a man marries you it doesn't mean you need to stop being sexy.
That's a mistake they do.
You go into a marriage and you like the way he met you when he was courting you, you were looking some type of way. He puts you in your home, you start wearing dida every day. Dida. I hate dida. Akusanga mu kidira na kino ekintu ky'okumutu. Bino bye bateeka ku mutwe bino.
Mbona ngo unyuka biki
ate bana abayonsa owunya amata.
Ate mbwa abawali abakazi ab'omu banyiivu bagamba mwe tumanyi muno tubonaabona omanyi ekitegeeza okubeera ng'oyoza olina okufumba olina okukola biki omwana uli akaaba.
It is the responsibility that you decided to sign up for, but then you also decided to sign up for being a wife and so if you complain that, then don't complain that he's gone out to find fresh meat. You know what I mean?
I understand.
I have to keep my man enticed every time.
So in your mind, always, and you know, sometimes not all. Father sindikira bana abasajja okwenda.
Oluusi tubasindikira kubanga abasajja kyoba olina omanya amaaso gaabwe gatambulira mu ngalo.
Kyokyo tuufu bannange.
Abasinga bonna.
Bannange kandi Ugo. Traffic.
Abasinga bonna because
the visual. Yeah, bali visual.
Kwogera naawe asooka kulaba.
N'agamba nkyagala sikyagala.
Osegedde. So when you change the way he fantasized you before and then you turn into, because yes, we do switch into different people as we go. Now you have to keep something in mind that he's also a human. He's also a man. Nze nagamba bannange abasajja mbasasira wano e Uganda. Nawe omusajja omusasira.
Ebikazi binyirira.
Bannange ebikazi wano e Uganda we wali buli shape, buli size ya booty, buli kala abakazi be Uganda bali like this country. As a man it can confuse you.
Maka mukiza nakuyitako enanye
oboli awo lidori nikuyiseko oboli awo kanagoze kakuyiseko
maka mukiza akuyitako ne kibust no
kabije kuyiseko oboli awo kaguni kazaira baby nga kakuyiseko oboli bannange buli size mu Uganda weri abasajja obasasira naawe oshegede so kati gwe ng'omukazi when the man is going out there to work what do you think he's looking at? What do you think? You think he's going to see women at work and not look at their booties or look how cute they are?
Do you know?
You think because he has you at home, he's being like, oh, I'm not going to look. HR is there. I'm not going to look. Chokanga chiri cho marketing chiri wala liko laptop chona chikoze watch. Let me borrow a pen. Let me borrow your pen.
Tabanne beyifa.
Andala baby wala bya marketing yebyo. Bawo bakola marketing. Sales and marketing. Biri bigugula. Ne chibigula anti bino kubigulira ba client bana ba MTN bayino babigulira balete di. Kati bajja bambadde obugoye nga bukomeri abana ba marketing bajja bali balabe duka. Kati gwengo osigadde ye waka olowooza olina lulungi waabwe.
Nogala.
Ati prekolooza tewali was the hotels nearby the workplace.
Tebanaye bangamba bana basajja.
Zino.
You can never predict a man. Azepa agenda saa kwenda kumosa kumina bisawe. Buna ku lunch break out manje balaga.
Nkusaasidde
because time out.
Some of them they can even take 2 hours break.
I know.
Because some of them
manye mambe ali busy ayiri bano.
Airbnb, hotel, bichi. Feba kwen TV batusabiranga kawo ku lunch ngomugamba yegwe ngagamba come meet me at this hotel. I'm like, dear, nafuna do mulimu tulowooza nti no, I need to still sleep with people to stay at the job. Fenga batusabiriza, fenga batukubanga emikono wano.
Ebibatu.
Batukuba ekibatu.
Katako ebibatu mbimanyi.
Ngagamba dear, nafuna do mulimu ate sigwe yamu patenti I don't have to sleep with you to stay on this job.
I know.
Alenze nalina olugezigezi bambi dear.
Ngatamubaji.
Nabula bagano okuzza media. Ino olugezigezi lw'amanyi. Ngama good employee nenga
ngatomanyira don't cross my right
because yes. Nze na omulimu nagufuna ku merit ya talent. Si ku merit ya kigambo ba legimanton
ebyo
okitegedde
God even me
talent tevunda okitegedde ate jjukira nze nange n'okukula sikula
kati
we bantu balala mu Hollywood 18 simuzanya
ngaba kuwadde agundi character ya agundi
ogizanya simuzanya kati nze natula nenga manze okuddawo okwegayirira batandika okunkuba ekibatu
kati kambuze how do you make your man like your man boyfriend to start spending on you kubanga kitabanya
start spending on you
yeah mani waliwo
spend on yourself
spend on myself kati waliwo
no show a man that you don't need 100% show a man that you don't need him any man ategeera ng'akwagala ajja kukola what they need to do
so sina musabiriza
Doreen abasajja bakuwa okubasabiriza atagabawo gw'omuleka bulesi nze sisaba sente by the way even if you're my man you have to know my needs
yeah.
And if you don't then I will do it myself to show you
I can by the way
and if I get my hair done without telling you and then you come oh nice hair I paid for it myself. Next time, he'll be embarrassed and he'll make sure he pays for it. I know. Never know by younger boy. Let me tell you, my man will be so upset when I do my hair myself. He would be upset. He would even refuse to say it's nice. Simply because he would feel bad that I did it. And now that he's abroad, Achisusa. Make sure I never touch my money because, you know,
such a nice guy.
He makes sure I never touch my money.
Blessings.
Simply because you have to show a man. Now we waste so I
can live without.
Yeah, nayenga. This is the thing. Omusaja yenna tayagala chintu changu. Mabola bali ize. Abasajja tebagala chintu changu. Chintu chafunyama changu okuta.
Badengeno okugantu manje tulike nako zino. Abawala bangu mukwano.
Omusaja, it is a mental health. It's a mental thing. It's a mental thing, and it is naturally in men. They like to pursue. They like a challenge. It makes him feel like he's accomplished something when he gets Doreen.
Who is complicated.
No, but then he gets you. He feels like, yeah, I'm definitely a man.
Yeah.
They like to chess. It's a game to them and they love it.
We're giving her up.
But if you give in so easily, he hasn't worked for it. He hasn't worked for nothing.
I know.
So what is it? Why is he gonna fight to keep it? What he didn't get.
No, giving up.
When you give them toys, you buy them toys. They break them just like that because it was easy to get. They don't know how much it costs.
Yes.
Ekintu kyotakoleredde kyangu okwonoona.
Yeah.
N'ekintu kyokoleredde ddiya.
Ochitreasuringa
because oyo omukazi oba ogamba nze nina ebintu ebiri specific bye njagala ku mukazi ono era ebigenda okunkiipinga.
Omukazi oyo yantambuza yambonyaabonya.
Nina ka video ke nalabye oba yabadde mu South Africa oba yabadde mu Kenya. Ndowooza yabadde mu Kenya. Guy yasanyuse mukazi we nga ali mu graduate nze. That is my wife.
Wow.
Ngolabira ddala gambye room yonna neesituka nga abalaga mukazi wange oshegera kati agamba there's men nga alina specific qualities about that woman that
zayagala. True.
Oshegedde abamu baagala ng'omukazi mukozi.
Yes, true.
Mu abatali bakozi ng'ajja kukuba mu kulyamu buli akulekaawo. I always advise women, if you want freedom and peace in your life, make your own money. But if you want to be in prison and you want to be unhappy, rely on a man's money. It is the key to prison in marriage.
Yeah.
It is the key because a man will always respect a woman who has something of their own. That is just, it's just
no,
natural.
By the way, I can survive without you.
Omusaja ayagala nnyo n'omukazi asobola omuwa some kind of advice. Like let's say any man would want a woman who ayina ebigenda maaso mu business. Naye nga naawe olina amagezi agasobola omuwa ku bwongo mu business ye.
Yeah.
Let's say you're trying to acquire like a house or a car, right? Ng'osobola omugamba naye baby okusinziira ku kiri kye twayembakinze on. I think emmotoka tugira tulindako because tuyinza otuuka wano because for us women we have the intuition, we see far.
Oh yeah.
So you have to be valuable to your man, not only in bed.
Ate by that's the only thing. Mbobuzo Omukazi, what do you have to offer Nagamba? The cookie. Ate kati church racho oyagala.
Everybody has a cookie.
Oli Nagamba cookie ne madu.
Whatever na street
cookie,
osanga
right?
baba funisize. But cookies everywhere, and a man can buy cookie easily without dealing with you again on mutawanya.
Sometimes ayagala omwe ku bwongo obwo your ideas.
Yeah, so it's like you have to have more than legs to offer a man or in a relationship. Chovala bantino baba zalamu n'abaana era n'akulekawo. Yet kids are precious. You think, oh, they bwamala okunzalamu alina okusigala. My friend, you carry all of them. Obayonso obeerire n'obeerira. Omusajja ye agenza afunye omukazi omulala nga tansizaala wala.
N'azaala n'abaana abalala. Oli butuufu.
But if you know nti w'otuukira okuzaala, ozaala for both yourself and that man, because women think they're giving birth for the man. You're giving birth for yourself.
Mistake gye tukyakola these days.
Gwakalinza olubuto kati ate lwaki olulowoleza oli alutaddemu.
Right?
Don't rely on that man because first of all asobola okufa. Ng'oggyeko ekyokuleka asobola okufa. Abasajja n'afa obwana ne babudividinga mu ankoli n'abeakali naye n'agenda omukazi n'abeera n'agenda n'afuna omusajja omulala wala n'abuleka ku family ku ttale because they never worked for their children. They always thinking the man abaana ba musajja weya nze nkolerera baana bange.
Nice.
Nkolerera baana bange. My two older kids, they're with their dad.
Yep.
Ochegera.
Those cute
But
kids.
right now, when I get money, when I work and get money, I will send it. Me, I pay for my daughter's school fees. We have a boy and a girl. The boy,
Tata,
dad pays.
Then for you?
The girl, I'm the one who suggested because I want to have equal say in their lives. That's my daughter. That's my sukali.
That's good. That's
Oshegedde.
good. Yes.
And if I'm not paying anything, he won't even care to send me reports. He won't even care to check on me or for the kids to check on me. But because abaala banange nina kyenteekayo, abeera responsible enough n'agamba why? Holiday tuuse mwana kamuweereze wa nnyina kubanga yasasula school fees. Nze sina mukazi gwe mmanyi asasula school fees ng'abaana babeera na musajja. Naye nze nambuuza nkikola. Because me, my kids are everything. When I'm working for my kids. And that's simply because that's how my mother was. I grew up around a mother who everything was about her kids. Which take it. So abakazi tuyige okwekolera because at the end of the day omwana no one tewayagala butakulanga omwana wali nawe. Nze kyasooka ne stressinga nga abatutte. Ne bwe nalabanga eri era waabwe ate nga I have access.
November.
Ne nkyesonyiwa. Nze kande batankubira. My kids are old enough to be like, I miss mommy. Let me call her. If they don't call me, then they're fine. They're fine. Still stressing as a kubana.
I love that. You're right. And you saw this couple that was moving around of this Sagabado, this Stella, yeah?
My girl Ella.
Yeah. About the video that she put out.
Yeah.
People flipped and I'm like, thank God finally you flipped. But sometimes it's always good to set your standards and class. In my head I was like, I think I have a feeling this man lied.
Yes, he must have.
Not to judge.
Omusajja. Kati noleka nkubuulire.
But that man lied.
No, that relationship was very short.
They didn't even quote.
I doubt they quoted because guess what? Me personally,
let me tell you, the men I've seen. Yeah.
Ella is such a good girl. Let me tell you.
Very humble.
Ella is a good girl and she's a proper, you see how she carries herself. She's a proper girl, you know. So me the last time I was with her, she had taken me to Fanero okusabire.
Yeah.
So when nabeera ne Ella nga datinga musajja mulala nnyo abi dreads, some tall dark skin guy, right?
For social media.
So before I know it, like it wasn't even like a year or so when I had seen them. Then Natalia tells me tugenda kumbaga ya Ella.
When?
I'm like, I thought I was Ella's friend. No invitation for me, okay.
I know.
But me, I was like, something is fishy about this relationship because before I know it, I'm like, 1 minute we're coming from tall, dark skin, handsome man. Then now we're here on Saidi.
Average.
And then also one thing I saw that was a red flag is that Saidi is a Muslim. And the way the wedding was done, you could tell it was all
one-sided, literally.
It was controlled by the woman. I could tell that Omusaja gwe bali bawasa.
That one was actually.
Omusajja bali bamuwa. Tell me one Muslim man. Tell me one Muslim man. Mbadde nkugamba mbuli omusajja omusiraamu ng'asobola okukkiriza nga tewaliwo bya kisiraamu gwe olabawo anything that shows that bano basiraamu
bakidibetingako ne bagamba something is not right.
Nze nakirabirawo ng'omusajja gwe baali bawasa honestly
wadde sente zaali zize.
mumanyi muti oba zaali zize. You people don't ever be food tugusalanga but don't ever.
I told Martha that the reason why Ella posted that video to show us like, hey, see where the queen is sleeping.
Exactly. It is my mind. I have my.
Hey, I stole something, but hey, guys.
If you think I stole, look at my house. No, Agamati. Y'all think I took his stuff? Look at where I live. Bye. Oshagedde.
Yeah.
Eyo yabadde ekyo kye yatulaze ennyumba yadde atulaga omusajja namusanga munaku.
So don't think in your mind.
Mulowooza nti ate nze nange nsobola it's petty but that's how because they tried to run the narrative mbu mama wa Ella ne Ella bagenda.
Exactly, that's what they said.
Come on, the class that girl exudes. She exudes class.
Oh yeah.
You think Ella will pick anything from that house when she has a mansion?
What was there to pick? That's not enough.
This man was married. They married him, and
maybe he lied.
And he wanted to. He lied about probably what he has. But I've heard even Sengasi said it. Oh, you are dating abawala bagagga. Kubanga ya dating ako daughter wa some famous man.
So it's not the first time.
It's not the first time.
Because he looks all humble. You don't know some men.
Those ones, silent banners, my friends.
I don't know some men. You never know those humble, quiet men. But
silent banners. Oyo guys, because first of all, Ella has money. Yeah, she's been working a long time and we don't even know Bawe or Mwanawe.
Yeah.
He's a rich man.
Yeah.
And he still pays for his children.
True.
Whatever our Omwana Gundi. Yeah. Ella Akola Ochegede. The lavishness of that wedding was Ella. That man, if he put money, he probably put money on his groom's wear and his whatever. Ella, one time tutukanga tukuze nga oyagala kulabanga someone's wife ngolaba tochaja mu society nga toli married, especially bakwano bonna
you know.
Yes.
Yeah,
but none of that is worth it.
I think so.
None of it is worth your peace.
Yeah.
Because katolaba Ella had a clean name. We had never seen any drama concerning Ella. Nabaguno omuyayi bwe gujja ne gumuleetera drama. Ne gumuleetera drama ate ne batandika okugamba mbuno. Ne bamulaba ku live yali Ella tasobola kwogera. Mami Debu ye yamwogerera. Because she's that classy feeling ajemanyi. Ochegete. Never some men were getting up bitter. They get bitter.
Manja funa Dorini moteke mu Sente male muleke.
Ate buzale mu mutuze yepanga twaka.
Male muleke.
Kato saidi alaka yayagala kutuza Ella.
Yagaba kamala akajanja.
Naye kato ina sente ngotuza oyo mwala nanyini sente. Ngotuza Ella yekolera obukadde bwe buyita mu mukago obw'omusanvu omwezi. Omutuuze mbuno. Tovala omwala ali mugezi yamugamba omwaka guno ogusooka. Tujja kubeera nga mbeerewuwo nga nange wangezezeko nga bwe tulaba obufumbo bugenda kolaga. Naye kulyamba omusajja yagamba nti no bino engeri gye bitannaba kuggwa ebyawano tugende tubeere ewuwo. Omwana n'akabuuka. Omuwala mugezi yakabuuka ako akantu bakakolanga. Nagamba katugenda tubeera mu yiyo.
Tujja tubeere wange.
Ng'eri bw'eggwa.
Alemere ewange.
Ng'eri bw'eggwaiza n'okwesanga eri
teri weegwange eriwa eggwa tamanyira munnange ndeta tugibeeramu. Kandi atakaira you're right. Do you know tukola nnyo that mistake?
Out of love.
Exactly.
Kugambe gwe omayo mukwano muli. Ate leka n'omuli abakazi. Normally tegubeera na mukwano. Kibeera waya.
Kubuuza naye omusajja akuwaaki omusajja nga tayina
mama nga tofaawo waya naddala abasajja kati waliwo abakazi abamu nga kyobala nti nno abakazi abalina abasajja abagagga bacheatinga n'abalenzi abato because they are missing the wire part. Their men cannot satisfy them in bed.
True.
So there's some women nga because of the sexual attraction that's there, yeah? Yagira bamuga na love.
I know.
Naye omusajja nga tamukolera na bimulaga nti love. Nze nabeera mu relationship wetu.
Nga gwateekamu.
Yiyize ntaddemu nnyo mu zi relationship naawe. Sha. Nze nina olutimatima n'ebitankwatako. Nze nina love n'ebitankwatako.
N'olabirira omusajja.
Nze mbalabirinde sijja kwegaana. Richard wuyo yandabirira.
Nze yali omu gwe nagezako ne yali antuuse wala.
Richard ye musajja asoose byaddala okundabirira.
I kept telling people nze munange ever since like I started dating era serious mukama nga ndaba. Teri musajja yali ansasulideko rent simanyi lwaki. Teri musajja yali agambeko nti kwata zino za shopping. Random nakulowooza ko nakaba kwata sente ko. In my head I'm like, lwaki balowooza nti nomba saagala?
Banga obalaga because it's
okay, yeah.
It's one of these things that are spiritually. We block abakazi abakola sente. We have love blocks. We have what they call love blocks. Women that make money, women who are independent, women who are career driven. We have what they call love blocks because in the spiritual life, in the spiritual world, right? Like you want a man, like for you feel like you want a man.
Yes.
Yeah. But deep down inside, tomwetaaga nnyo.
Chechitu.
I
know.
Ochegedde.
Our one Nina. Yes.
So it's like it creates a love block because as much as you're saying you want a man, your aura is not attracting the man. Your energy is not attracting. It's your words and your desires for what a man could bring into your life. But you don't truly need that man.
That's man.
So you create a love block for yourself.
That is true.
The minute you say, Kati nonze, I had this problem. When my man started taking care of me, I started feeling guilty. But then I was like, Robina, what? Why are you feeling
guilty?
Then I realized, I'm like, no, because it's been wired in me for so long that it feels abnormal for a man to pay for everything. Just last week, Richard spent 1.2 on me.
Wow.
Because I had no phone. I know who paid Sente za transport. Mele, go shopping for food. Because I couldn't make my own money. And he knows me, I don't like asking for money. Transport. Oboda wangatadeke chetano. Oboda watadeke chekumi. Nateka kaze simu najisasule yasaswa straight eri omusajja. Owamasimu nanga magene wa enokono nesimu. Gene wa enokono nesimu. Like I kept on feeling like omusajja nga spending kose like so, but then I was like no B. I was like no, you deserve it. Accept it and you deserve even more.
Yeah.
Because that's how you attract more. Because once you make yourself feel like you're worth receiving it, you deserve it, then it will come. But then when you're like, I'm independent, but in your heart you're like, I have my own money. You're creating a block.
In fact, even
the aura, like people don't understand that everything is about energy.
Yeah, the frequency.
Because people don't understand the spiritual world and the real world runs on energy.
Yeah.
If I'm near you and you are sad, I will feel it. I will feel your energy that it's sad on my heart. Because for me, I'm aware, I'm aligned, and I'm sensitive to that. Like I'm spiritually there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I don't see hanging around Mubantu. Era ne mu industry. Ojja kubuuza mu industry oba ninayo omukwano yenna gwe nkiringa naye. Temuli. Simply because I don't expose myself to many energies. I don't. Because energies catch you. Bw'obeera around omuntu ali sad nawe ojja kufuuka sad. Bw'obeera around omuntu ali happy nawe you get happy. You become happy. So energy. So whatever you want, truly feel it that you want it.
True.
Then you attract it. Nefe abakazi abakola sente kugamba we want a man naye engeri gye tweyisaamu tetu attracting abasajja abo attracting abasajja abali broken abeetaaga otukuula.
That's why nabo batuka ne batya.
We end up at
watugamba byo tetulekana. No, we are talking normally. So that's why most women say no, most men are intimidated but you're getting abakazi balina sente balowooza balina career. Because of that balowooza nti we can never be submissive, we are disrespectful, mutibanyoma, simanya, which is not the case for everyone. But I think does it come naturally?
It is an energy. It comes naturally. But then also, that's what I'm saying. If you bw'okwatagana omusajja nga ye feeling a masculinity ye.
Yeah.
Because the only man who feel intimidated by you making money is a man who you make more money than.
The man will be intimidated
by you is a man who makes
more than
But if a man is making enough money and he can take care of you without even making money,
that's how we're intimidated.
Now imagine you even having a bonus of having your little money. Why would he be intimidated? So the reason why we attract those kind of men is because they see us as prey. Because the energy we exude, we are desperate.
Oh yeah. I know.
We are desperate for a man to just be there. You don't really need him, but you want people to say, Dorina, I know, but that's not important. What's important is finding yourself first. Going into a relationship, money.
Yeah.
Obanga n'omusajja teyeemanyi mwena mugenda kubeera mu cycle ey'okubeera nga you have to handle his traumas, his past traumas and problems that he went through. He has to do the same with you from his oshegedde.
Yeah.
But omukazi yenna, align yourself, feel yourself and that you deserve.
Yeah.
And kyenyini ky'oyagala ky'olina tosobola kuŋŋamba nti no oyagala omusajja ategeera n'ogera n'omunoonya mu bbaala. Tikisijja kugamba gye bali abamitingide mu bbaala nga bakyali bonna paka nakati. Naye if you're because like emyaka gye ndiko sikyagenda na mu mabaala.
Nange byansama.
Okitegedde. Kati Doreen bw'ogenda mu bbaala ku ssaawa eno omusajja kigwogenda ossangayo. Omusajja ali 40 ng'akyasula mu bbaala. Oba toyina kyofunye. Era bw'ogenda mu bbaala era ogenda ku attracting abano ba young boys abayagala okukuula. Okitegedde.
Abagamba rich auntie.
So you go to the right environment to attract the right people. Okitegedde.
Yeah.
Tosobola kusanga muntu ali responsible.
Kituufu.
Omusajja anywa mu in between the week. Nze na meeting omusajja omugagga CEO of one of the big companies here. Nambuza kikyenyenda okunywa because nalina mukwano gwange nambuza what do you guys want to drink? Netusaba beer. Ye n'asaba amazzi. Nemubuuza omanyi kye yagamba? I drink but I don't drink during the week.
Wow.
What my character eyo?
Wow. That's why I love a proud man.
He said, I don't drink during the week because if I have an 8 a.m. meeting, I cannot function. Even if I have one drink, I cannot wake up at 6 a.m., do my morning workout, do my morning preparations before my meeting. if I drank the night before. So I only drink from Friday, Saturday, and on Sunday he doesn't even drink because tomorrow is Monday. Do you know what that means? That's discipline. To meet a man like that, you can never meet him in the bar. The man you meet in the bar is a man at 40. Is a man who meets some stages in his life. He's trying to catch up.
I know.
Ajakuwa n'obuwala obuto. Achayagala okweraga nti asobola okugula botto ya maweeti. Segedde. Balina stages ze baba bamisinga.
Kituufu. Oshegedde you can't take the village out of someone. Obunakyalo busigalamu mu buntu.
Wewewa value. Nze Doreen simanyi sijjako makiyogera. Wewewa value n'omusajja akuwa value. Bw'oteewa value era takuwa value.
Era nange nagamba it's okay. Oli walaba nga ndi complicated agende.
Ky'omuyigiriza omusajja nga yakatandika okukukwana kyajja okugenderako. Omusajja bw'aba alina ssente. Ate n'omulaga nti nange neerabirira nnyo neefaako. Era ajja kurelaxinga. Oshegera. Naye bw'oba weerabire n'omugamba nti no. But baby, I also like these things. And so I buy things for men. It's because not only men should buy you.
No, you have to give them something.
You buy too.
Yeah.
That me. I like to see how my man looks. I like him to go out looking nice. So if I'm in a shop and I see a nice shirt and I would like it, like it will look good on him.
Yeah.
Baby, I will buy him that shirt. I will buy him that shoe. I will buy him them sunglasses. Because I like spoiling my man. But you ladies think that the man is the only one who should spoil you, right? N'abasajja baagala okuweebwa.
Ate ebintu ebirimu ku magezi ebiri class ebiri
kyobalaba nze nambaze waabwe abasajja basobola okuntula ne bagamba akoti kale bugumba bwereere ne bba wange amanyi ekyama ekindimu ate ng'ekyama tekiri wano wokka wano weekiri ne tekiri wano wokka obwongo.
Yes.
Obwongo butegeera omusajja niidi ye kyeki. Ate nsobola okulaba omusajja nga kingi ate omusajja nga si kingi. Kubanga nze njagala kingi ate namufuna wange sina king bamita kings.
Right.
Bonna abatwalira wamu.
It
will not end in tears. It will not end in tears. And even if it does, I will never tell you.
When I have a comment section, it will end in tears. Media motive, yeah. Maziga gamwe.
Ngankaba maziga gange.
Nange wembaga relationship gisadde negira. Sikomo baga bati yagani.
Tobagamba. Bagenda kulaba bulabi nga bakubye embaga endala. Ngogamba vaayo dda. Nze bange bwe yali agenda ebweru. Buli omu nga ŋŋamba banange abasajja beerabira. Nabagamba nze owange tajja
bagenda ebweru.
Nze nabagamba owange tajja kunneerabira. Okitegedde? Era tajja kunneerabira. Ekyo kisazaamu mu linnya lya Yesu. I'm the one who creates my life. I'm the one who manifests my life.
Right.
So abajja nga bateeka bad energy.
Bambi muzeeyo
bad energy byammwe mubiteeke mu relationship zammwe. Doreen, era leka nkubuulire ebintu by'okuwuliriza abantu, especially like dating, relationships. Buli relationship ya njawulo. Tosobola kuwa general. Ffe bwe tuwa advice bwe twogera to generalizing ate ne twogera also from our experiences.
Then it's up to you to see. Bwelagamba kinkolera tekinkolera. Kubanga okukolera tekinkolera.
Ffenna tuli bantu banjawulo. Naye we generalize according to what we've seen with other people, but then we also use our own experiences. I've always been in relationships. I don't like that whole messing around with this man and this man.
Yeah.
Like, because I'm a sexually active person, I like to be with my one man. Because I don't cheat. I do not cheat.
You know, most men you've been with,
I don't cheat. I don't cheat.
Men also don't cheat, surprisingly.
Because the man of Sajang, better blind, Kumusajja balala. Uzo omusajja wange ne bawange yaŋŋamba mwana gwe nakulaba ng'onsuddiya wano nga wenna onsuddiya nenze nga ndaba niŋŋanga ekiti ekyokyeko ekisiriiza ninga wano ddemu nga nsuddiya nenze nga ndaba kirala nga ye erabanga ekisiriiza nenze nga ndaba kirala nnyo nze bwe mba nkwagadde I'm blind.
Nange n'ekizibu ndwawo okusiima naye bwe nsiima I don't know why nsiima and then I focus on you ate bw'otandika okummanyira that is it me I don't know nkivaako
omutima guli
saagala nnyo kwegayirira ate nkuleka
disrespect. You don't tolerate disrespect.
bwe ndaba nga olowooza nti olowooza ngenda okwegayirira tukireka.
You just pull out.
Within 30 years it has because I'm human. Naye I'm like let me fast.
Kyekyenkugamba nti n'omusajja kasita omulaga nti tomwetaaga they will come running, especially when you show him, oh, you think I'm going to come beg you.
If a man goes quiet, sikunoonya.
Omunoonyezaaki.
Nagamba siri kikola. Genda funa abalala bagenda okweguya kwana
abakazi ababeera
pakazi bangi. Thank you. That is the mistake most women are doing.
Women, kyekyenkugambye omusajja bw'afuna omukazi amangu. Omusajja bw'afuna omukazi easily we have to be pursued.
Nze nagamba osirise katusirike. Obaamaze mwaka katusirike.
Ate abasajja abasirika mu silent treatment. They're not mature men.
Thank you.
The happiness of a man, a relationship, it depends on the man.
Kati ng'okola ntondo, I don't care. Era ntula nengamba osirise. It's okay, so long.
So long, because at the end of the day, abasajja bangi basobola okujja okwagala okubeera nange wadde nze saagala kubeera nabo, but
hunting,
never chase a woman, never chase for clarity.
Thank you. I tell women,
clarity tebagichasinga ino okubeera ng'ekweraga bwerazi.
Don't chase for closure.
How can you ask a man, but do you really love me?
Do you really love me?
Dear, if you have to ask that question, he doesn't love you. If you have to ask that man that question, do you really love me?
I don't love you.
Era kwatamu ebibyo ogende. Katugoloza agenda kugamba mbuno sikwagala. Era agenda kulimba. If you even have a doubt and you ask that question, toka your presence yo, then the action will show if he loves you or not.
You no longer call. Let me calling.
You no longer call.
You no longer send messages. No, it's okay. It's fun now.
Abakazi be Uganda tuli desperate. Ekizibu kya sente, twagala nnyo sente y'amangu.
Nakubiri nga you're quiet. What did I do? Mama. Asishikola mukwano.
Dear.
I don't
nze bawanga ali bweru. I right now he can take care of me. But that does not mean that I have that you know kubeera so desperate.
Thank you.
Kati omusajja wagenze ebweru buli kaseera baby ngenda ongulirayo kino n'otandika omusabiriza olw'okuba ali bweru aba yakusazeeko dda ali mu bizibu bye byakyeyo ng'otandika mumusaba sente. Some of them are not understanding because they don't understand ebizibu ebiri mu kyeyo, like how hard or how easy it is.
Yeah, true.
So abakyala basinga, we're not understanding with these men. All we care about is omusajja mpaaki. Bannange mentality yentamye. Torini entamye yensonga lwaki abasajja batuyisaamu amaaso. Yensonga lwaki ne mu gavumenti abawala abakazi abamu batuuka mu gavumenti nga just bakoseza amagulu gaabwe. Ne batuuka eri ne batandika okwogera nonsense. Okyegera simply because they got there with legs bannange.
Kyeŋŋamba naye nga bano be baleese okulowooza nti no buli muwala ali desperate. Mukwano sijja kuba desperate.
Tuleetedde society obutatulabamu magezi. Obutawuliriza ideas zaffe. Waliwo abasajja bagamba n'okugamba nti abakazi basiru. Balaga ekintu ekyo kinnuma.
Tomanyi nakumanya.
Balaga ekintu ekyo kinnuma omusajja agamba abakazi
basiru.
Simply because bawala bangi abeeyisa ng'abasiru.
Ne batumanyi balooza buli mukazi musiru.
Kyekyo kyenkugamba w'otuukira okusaba omusajja paadi oli musiru.
Kituufu.
Because paadi ya 225. Oshegedde ey'ebbeeyi maybe ya 4. ne tampax nayo tosobola tuuka mu kitwalo kimu kitundu.
Thank you.
Otegedde?
Give
Give yourself value. Ate ekirala abawala munyooma emirimu. Munyooma emirimu.
Ngani abeera waitress mugala bafala. What do you mean by abeera waitress?
Waitress naye tolina wadde 10 kyofuna naye onyooma waitress afuna 150 a month wadde sente ntono.
Bunne bakwana leero enkya n'osaba data. Sibagenda kuwamu magezi enkya n'osaba lunch. Oh God.
Kati no kankule waliwo gwe napangira omugagga. Enkeera n'asaba omugagga wine. N'oli omugagga ng'asolomu obukadde obwo.
Busatu.
Nga tanaana mukwatako nga tanaana kati omugagga bwe yalaba nga bamusabe wine ey'emitwalo 6 teyaddamu kunyega muwala.
Toto tano. Klasi yagiraba naga.
Omusajja alina obuwanana obukadde gwe ng'ogamba mbuno.
Wine?
The next day no. N'abasajja bagagga omusajja ne waba alina sente ez'okugaba. Show him some class. Show him that I don't care how much money you have.
It's your
wefule ajidde mu Uber ng'otidde ku boda.
I know. It's your money. Sizange zizo. Oba ina mansion zisimanyo ina bugagga bugo.
Bikwata kukwata eze sikyagala.
Nze Katonda.
Saagala n'abasajja bankwana. Sikulimba. Nze saagala n'abasajja bankwana. Simply because they flash their money or what they have.
Then they have to tell you, in your head you're like, it's your stuff.
And like, it's a turn off. Because so you think you can get my love because you have a Range Rover. Because
it's my mansion.
You have a Range Rover, but I don't know what is in your pants.
I know.
Dear, please.
I
have to scout you. I have to look at you, look at them lips, and look at that body and be like,
when I tell these girls, asking you hard questions, what talking stage here, Mataringa. Don't ask whatever bimanyi.
Bambe bagwa ne mu motoka omusajja like nagwa mu musajja mbolo kuba ine motoka. Nenge motoka si ya musajja nga si ya musajja oba ya boss we. You know what I mean? Kati no gamba. Wabadde otunula wa?
Wabadde okaaki.
Otegedde?
Yes.
Wabadde otaki? Wabadde otunula wa? Kati no gamba ina sente banange antadde mu nyumba. Amalo kuwasa boko.
Akumanyire akujjukize nti by the way twalina kyo wateeka wene nyumba yange. Badi
story abawala banyumya story. N'abawala banyumya stories wana Uganda no gamba ntino. Really, we are at this level of incompetence and desperation.
I love the topic today. Value yourself.
Value yourself.
Women, value yourself.
Nze leka nkubulya ekintu kimu. Singa nali sevaluinga. Singa mu industry. Singa mmanya abasajja nga 10 abali benne baseeko. Ate byekwega.
Baida kyawinsa bwe bakuwandiikanga kedda red paper bichi. Tebakulinkinga ku basajja bagamba.
Ate byekweka. Tebyevaayo. Era abasajja bonna be bategedde be nalinde nganza ababagambi.
Tulaganga true.
Inze singa if I didn't value because they can pull you. Tewali atankwana.
Bali basaba.
Mu time gye nali mu bonna. Otegedde. Naye I knew that this is what happens.
Yeah.
And the good thing is what happened, I got into a serious relationship as soon as I started doing login. A relationship nesevinga. Otherwise maybe not because of mistakes neberanga nange body count ya industry. Oh, you're rapping.
No. Oh, muyimbi. Oh no, ate wali mu night life remember. Singa batugamba, oh no, dijoli.
Wewe value kati omusajja alaga neka akawa nenga kwata.
Value yourself.
Value yourself, ladies, because this world.
Thank you, Robin.
Have you ever realized that there is a breast without a nipple? But without a nipple.